Hi everybody, Justin Caldwell here at Caldwell Outdoor Equipment. Exciting news, today is our snowplow and salt spreader extravaganza open house. And it's sponsored by Snow Dog and Salt Dog. And we've got a lot of equipment out on display. Try to show you around here. We've got a lot of snowplows, salt spreaders, lawn mowers. Today this is the best time of the year to buy your snow equipment. We've got our early bird sale on, and while supplies last, we've got hundreds of plows in stock. This is by far the best time of the year to buy. We've got free food today. We've got barbecue, pulled pork, brisket, smoked turkey. The guys across the street from John 3:16 Ministries, they're doing the catering for us today. We've got reps from Buyers and Snow Dog here today. And it'd just be awesome to see you if you want to come down. We're at 1914 North Main Street in DeSoto. We'd love to see you. Come by, talk about your snow equipment needs. This is open for commercial customers, for a homeowner that may need a snow plow, for municipalities. We've got a lot of municipalities using Snow Dog and Salt Dog equipment now. But we'd be glad to see you. Visit us online, caldwellequipment.com. Give us a call, 636-586-9607. But we'd appreciate to see you. And the food is free. So come by, and we're going to eat good today. We'll see you soon.